Which other Muslim country is the best friends of Israel? Azerbaijan. Very good. Right next to Iran. They have a mutual border. All the military of Azerbaijan, it's Israelis. They have airplanes over there, they have bombs there, they have everything. I won't be surprised if they have nuclear over there. In Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is one city in Israel. Why? Not because they love Jews. Don't be a fool. They just know nobody will protect us. Better we'll be friends with Israel. They're strong. Tomorrow we're going to have a problem. Israelis will help us. If the Israeli will help them or not, I'm very doubted. I doubt it very much. The Israeli didn't help the Kurdish besides giving them some weapon. They threw the Kurdish under their wheels. 50 years they worked together. As soon as the Kurdish need the Israelis, they threw them out. Israelis used to be allied with Saddal, Tzva Drom Lebanon, Major Haddad. Israel gave them weapon and training to make problems to Hezbollah and to Lebanon. As soon as they lost, Israel threw them out. Some of them moved to Israel. They gave them a shelter. The rest, who knows where they are now.